So last week I did a video on what's in my girlfriend's fridge. Now I'm gonna do what's inside my fridge. Don't mind the dirty pans and the, empty water. I haven't been to the house in a while, so yeah. First thing we got is hot fudge, soy sauce, cheese, mayonnaise, mustard, syrup, butter, sauce, pickle, jelly, hot sauce, buffalo wing sauce, Parmesan cheese, honey mustard, ketchup, peanut butter, wine, black bean hummus, shortcake bread things, egg, I almost said eggs, bacon, cranberry juice, cake that expired 5 months ago, Gatorade juice that expired a while ago, old pizza, beer. There's a juice back there, there's cheese back there, some water, broccoli, more broccoli back there, beer, another beer, I think that's it. What's in the freezer? Liquor, frozen vegetables, ice, and yeah, that's it. Now, half the stuff in here is expired, but or it's my roommate's. Me and him tend to eat out a lot, so this is new. I just got this. Let's go in the cupboard, the walk-in cupboard. Got rice, noodles that's sticking. That's how old it's been sitting here. Barbecue sauce, ketchup, chocolate peanut butter Cheerios. These are actually pretty good. I wouldn't eat them now because it's been up there a while. It says new, but it's been up here for so long it's not new anymore. So silverware, because we're lazy, we don't feel like doing dishes. Crackers, my roommate bought those. Pretty much it. Oh, these ramen noodles have been here for a very long time. So that's it.